Hello, sir. Very good morning. My name is Sunita Patru, and my student ID is 1912903. And today I'm going to present my poster on my dissertation topic. So let me share my screen so that I can explain you in detail manner. Give me just one moment, please. So basically, this is my complete poster. I hope you can see my poster. Let me zoom it so that I can clearly explain to you. Yeah. So my total, my topic is use of Facebook advertisements and its impact on sales and revenue. A case study of Samsung using Facebook. So let me introduce what I mean is um, basically earlier days everyone was going with traditional marketing, but now days are changed. So each and every organization has to concentrate on the digital platform, because many people nowadays are depending on internet and mobile devices. They will be always available. So let me introduce this case study. Social media marketing has been used to serve advertisement and promotion through different platforms. Amongst all of them, Facebook has been recognized as one of the most powerful and prominent platforms, uh, where many organizations like Samsung can create ads for achieving their specific goals. Like few organizations, they spend on advertising like brand recognition, someone like sales and revenue. So here my case study is on Samsung's sales and revenue growth. So hence Samsung is also utilized Facebook means for improving its sales and revenue. So the background of this is in the recent study, um, Samsung has invested on Facebook advertisement uh, around 10 million dollars for 3 weeks in this platform, in the Facebook platform. As for the expected outcomes, as a result, Samsung gained almost 13 times more profits than what it is invested. It's around 129 million through selling Galaxy phones alone in a profitability as a result of profit. Apart from that, around 20 million of fan following on Facebook, along with 105 million valued Samsung customers, have also been contributed. However, there are little bit issues of Facebook advertisement. In this way, Samsung may face some low reach, disapproval, or low bid in its promotions when they will promote their own product. Maybe these are the issues, maybe they will face it. Moreover, sometimes it has also seen that due to strict optimization targets, it may become impossible to afford Facebook ads, because if they get more mileage, the effort of the Facebook may be more. So here I use two hypotheses and two models of theories. So the first theory is theory of reasoned actions, which we call it TRA. This particular theory has specifically focused on determining the relationship between the consumer's action and consumer's attitude. So in this sense of Facebook advertisement, TRA has to help to determine consumers' purchase intention for buying particular product in direction with revenue, earnings, and sales. And the second theory, and one of the most important theory, is this specific theory is uses and gratification theory, which we call it UGT. This specific theory is determining the consumer's need in specific target segmentation area. Hence, in the case of Facebook ads, UGT must help customer centric approaches to realize their customer needs and must help a brand to increase profitability. I mentioned two hypotheses, assumptions. Positive interrelationship between Facebook ads and high sales with revenue. Second assumption may be there has underlined a certain interconnection between consumer perception towards Facebook advertisement. So, my purpose behind this complete topic is to determine the impact of Facebook ads on sales and revenue in brand. Second one is to evaluate the customer approach or perception towards Facebook advertisement for development of brand image. So even here I gathered some materials and I used few methodologies on my dissertation topic. Here I will explain. Um, while doing the research, it can be justified that positivism philosophy must help to fulfill research purposes logically. I use that. Besides, research approach must also determine research questions with the help of different relevant theories. For example, as I explained, TRA and UGT for accessing impact of Facebook advertisement in Samsung sales and revenue earnings. Besides this, or apart from this, descriptive research design must also contribute to evaluation of the conclusion of research project. On other hand, in the case of data collection, when I collected the data, when I gathered the data, the secondary qualitative method has been justified. I mean, I did the secondary qualitative method. Additionally, a purposive non-probability sampling method I choose to obtain relevant and credibility data from the authentic sources, such as I used articles, few journals, newspapers, and online material, specifically Samsung website. I put here a small advertisement picture of Facebook, and when I did my research, I analyzed a few things and I concluded few things as a result. I completely gathered my all data on the approach of secondary method due to some certain restrictions. So based on my data, my analysis, my gathering data, social media based Facebook advertisement agency, we can say organization, approach has been highly adopted by Samsung of its business functions. Therefore, as a expected result, within 3 weeks of time, social media helped Samsung to reach 105 million users within $129 million sales revenue. We can say 13 times, as I mentioned earlier, 13 times double than the previous time. In detail, if I can explain, we can say that Samsung has now partnered with Facebook to promote its premium range of smartphones, specifically Galaxy, the new one, and other electronic devices. In this way, as for the result, as per analysis and triggered growth, this a huge growth. Defined target has been utilized. And as I said, as per result, 19% lift in ad calls, 4.99 message association, and 1.8 lift in consideration has been increased. So here I wanted to give you the recommendations and the conclusion which I got from the whole analysis and few discussions and implications of this whole topic. So my conclusion is um, nowadays social media has put its all effort, I mean, it's in the high range, specifically Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, like social media platforms. So each and every organization has to go towards these sort of advertisements, specifically Facebook. And Facebook played a very, very, very important role in the brand recognition, in the sales and revenue of any organization, specifically in the digital platform. So I wanted to conclude that Samsung has been benefited with all positive impacts of Facebook ads, as well as they increase their high fan following through the Facebook advertisement, and also they increase their sales and revenue. And I wanted to give a few recommendations. First thing is, uh, they need to emphasize mobile friendly ad contents, because 80-90% people are using, I mean, in the majority of population in all over the world, they are using mobile phones. So it has to be more emphasizing mobile friendly ad content. Second thing is high relevance with low frequency. Third thing is they should concentrate on the segmented target audience, specific, like geographical area, or we can say gender, or we can say they need to go very, very specific audiences so that they can create more revenues and more fan following. And the last but not the least, bid cap settings and others means of. So the discussion, the whole discussion and the implication I wanted to explain. Samsung has been most benefited through social media based Facebook ads in terms of increase with the sales and revenue altogether, along with social media followers, as well as they got huge fan following. And also they invested on Samsung, specifically the popularity of its flagship programs and premium range electronic devices like Galaxy has been shown a huge growth. At present, in the case of research implications, this study must impact upon other electronic giants in the UK positively. Hopefully, more organizations come forward. They will spend more money on the social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Specifically, Facebook, because it's a very, very highly uh, impacted platform. And I wanted to clearly mention here, based on both positive and negative impressions of Facebook ads, it becomes possible to determine the right decision about the posting ads in social media platform as per possible consequences thereafter. So here I wanted to conclude my poster, and here are my reference list. As I mentioned earlier, I did some research on journals, some newspapers, apart from this, mostly the online content. So this is my reference list. So I just wanted to conclude here, sir, and thank you so much for your all your support throughout the classes, uh, and throughout this journey. I learned a lot. Hopefully, I may write more thesis on the same topic. Hopefully, and I just wanted to thank you for everything. Thank you so much, sir. Have a great day. Thank you. Bye.